Hello friends, today I'm taking you back to my hometown for the taste of its very special Makhaniya Lassi. So let's get started. To make yogurt for the lassi, I'm boiling 3 cups of whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 3/4 cup sugar, 3 teaspoon cardamom powder. This cardamom powder is with the skin. 3/4 teaspoon rose water and 1/4 teaspoon Kewra essence. I have mixed both of them here. And saffron soaked in milk. Mix it all together and let it come to a boil. When it boils over, turn off the stove and let the milk cool down enough that it's warm to touch. At that time, add full-fat yogurt to set the milk. The amount of yogurt will depend on weather and time of the year, so use as per needed. Mix it well and pour it into individual servings like glass, earthen pots, or even bowls, depending upon the occasion. Now put them all in a warm place to set to yogurt. Once it's set, put it in the refrigerator to chill. While my yogurt is chilling, it's time to prepare for the garnish. In a muslin cloth, I add 1 cup of full-fat yogurt and hang it high to get rid of all the water content. I have here taken just half a cup of yogurt because I misjudged the quantities. 1 cup of yogurt will be needed to garnish all the glass and bowls. When the hung curd is ready, scoop it out in a bowl. To it I add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I mix it vigorously to loosen it up. Then I add a pinch of cardamom powder to it. We are adding quite a bit of cardamom powder throughout the lassi making process because half of the cardamom powder that we had added to the milk would have settled down at the bottom by now. To serve the lassi, garnish each bowl and glass with hung curd, some blanched pistachios, sprinkle of cardamom powder, and some saffron strands. The uniqueness of this Makhaniya Lassi is that a spoon inserted in it will stand upright. This lassi is typically eaten with a spoon, and for best results, stir the lassi nicely once before eating it to bring it to a semi-liquid consistency. Enjoy this lassi like a dessert and get tons of compliment from your family. Thank you for watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.